Welcome to the Heronry, where a close-knit community of herons thrives during the breeding season. Where life unfolds in harmony with the rhythms of the wild. Here, in the heart of this sprawling heron colony, another chapter is about to come to a close. There is still much to be done for our almost grown herons. Meet the young herons who, despite their size, are still reluctant to embrace the winds of change. As these fledglings approach childhood, they are not quite ready to bid farewell to the comforts of home. Even though flight is now an option, these herons will still get fed for up to 3 weeks by the somewhat hesitant parents. In the final stages of their growth, the young herons seek nourishment from their parents, but the dance of feeding is not always harmonious. A delicate struggle ensues. As independence beckons, a tension arises between the desires of youth and the instinct of the adult. In the end, a fragile equilibrium is reached as the parent yields to the needs of the young. The world outside the nest is vast, and the journey ahead is both thrilling and challenging. And then a moment of reckoning arrives. One of the juveniles takes its first bold flight, embracing the skies. And so, as the heronry bids farewell to the breeding season, the echoes of reluctance blend with the melodies of transformation. In a place once alive with the vibrant energy of herons, an eerie silence now reigns, until the stars align and the world turns once more into another year for the heronry.